Mamma mia, Mama's making the pancakes. First, you're gonna want 1 egg. I'm using an egg, a bowl, glass, some milk, and some pancake mix, because I'm making pancakes. There's a part 2 for this, so stay tuned. Yeah. Then we would need the milk. Then you're gonna need your pancake mix. You're gonna need 2 cups of this. Switch stubby hands. Put out there. Now it's time for the mixing. That's how you make the batter. There's a part 2, and we're gonna cook the delicious batter into the pancakes. You could add chocolate chips, blueberries into this dough, and then you could cook it. We're cooking the pancakes. You're gonna need your frying pan, your mix, which is from the first episode, a quart where this thing is, your spatula, and then you'll need to light the flames. Then but you need this. Then you need some vegetable oil. Fork can't stick. Scoop this up and then do that. Yeah, go you pancake. Yeah. Wait for it to sizzle and then flip it on the other side. Press it down. Then get your plate ready. Put some butter and then syrup on it. Then boom, you have your pancakes. Mamma mia! Now it's time to flip. Huh? Oh no. Forget that ever happened. Just forget. Now it's time to drizzle. Mamma mia, I've made a pancake. If you're hungry for breakfast, then pancakes are your option. I just made 1 layer, but you can make more layers. I need to give it a taste test, and yes, this mustache is fake. Let's taste. It's very good. Bon appetit. Okay, now you can cut it.